Most window cleaning business owners make the same mistake when choosing a CRM. They look for the cheapest option or the one with the most features. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Neither of those things matters if the software doesn't help you get more repeat customers and run your business more efficiently. In 2026, the best CRM for a window cleaning company is the one that saves time, improves customer retention, and helps you stay organized as you grow. In this video, you'll learn exactly what features matter most, what separates a good CRM from a great one, and how to choose the right platform for your business. Let's get straight into it. The first thing every window cleaning business needs is customer organization. Think about how much information you manage every day. Customer names, property details, service notes, schedules, invoices, quotes, and follow-up reminders. Now imagine trying to manage hundreds of customers using spreadsheets and text messages. That's where a CRM becomes essential. For example, Alex owns a residential window cleaning business with 250 active customers. Instead of searching through old messages and notebooks, he can instantly access customer history, previous services, and upcoming appointments from one place. That's your first major benefit. But here's the problem. Organization alone doesn't grow a business. This is where most people fail. Window cleaning is one of the most repeatable service industries. Most customers need their windows cleaned multiple times per year. If you're not systematically following up with previous customers, you're constantly starting from zero. Now here's where it gets interesting. A good CRM helps you turn one-time customers into long-term customers. Imagine Jay cleans a customer's windows in the spring. 6 months later, that customer is due for another cleaning. Without a reminder system, that opportunity may be lost. With automated follow-ups and customer communication tools, you can stay top of mind without manually tracking every customer. That's a simple process that can dramatically increase repeat revenue. In a minute, I'll show you the most important CRM features for window cleaning companies. But first, let's discuss scheduling. As your business grows, scheduling becomes one of the biggest challenges. Weather changes, cancellations, route adjustments, and multiple appointments can quickly create chaos. A CRM with strong scheduling capabilities helps keep everything organized and reduces administrative headaches. Now let's look at the 4 features that matter most. Customer management, scheduling and route planning, quotes, invoices, and payments, customer follow-up, and retention tools. These are the systems that directly impact efficiency and profitability. Here's another important point. The best CRM depends on your business size. A solo operator may prioritize simplicity and affordability. A growing company may need automation and team management tools. Larger operations may benefit from advanced reporting and workflow features. The right choice depends on where your business is today and where you want it to be next year. The bottom line is simple. The best CRM for window cleaning businesses in 2026 is the one that helps you stay organized, improve customer retention, and create a smoother operation from lead to payment. Focus on solving business problems, not chasing features. Now you know exactly what to look for before investing in a CRM. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more window cleaning business growth tips, and let me know in the comments which CRM you're currently considering and why.